Hi, this is Katelyn Liu, and today I'll be going over the Y-Log worksheets for lesson 35 for 6th grade. So, the first page that you should have gotten asks us to solve for the variable and to show our work and also to check our answers. So, whenever we're asked to solve the variable, you know the drill, you do the inverse operation. In this case, what you could do first is add these two first. So 78 plus 41 is equal to, 119 plus x is equal to 127. And you want to minus 119 from both sides, which gives us x is equal to x is equal to 8. And the second one, we're looking at 54 minus 71 minus x is equal to 7. So you can minus these ones, subtract these ones first. So 54 minus 71 is equal to, negative 17 minus x is equal to 7. So you can add 17 to both sides, which gives us negative x is equal to 24. And you want to divide by negative 1 on both sides, which gives us x is equal to negative 24. So, when you look at these two problems and we want to check our answers, what we do is we take our answer, 8, and we plug it back into the original equation where x would be, since we found out that x is equal to 8. So now we have 78 plus 8 plus 41 is equal to 127. Let's see if that's true. 78 plus 41 plus 8, we have 127. That is correct. And in this case, we have 54 minus 71 minus 24 is 71. And 71, we did this one on the side, which equals to negative 17. Negative 17 minus negative 24 means you add 24. Okay, now this becomes 24 minus 17, which is 7, but negative. And that is correct, because it says 7 here. Okay, so our second worksheet asks us to practice solving for the inequalities and also to show our work. This is very much similar to the one from before. What you want to do here, minus 91 from both sides, we have x is equal to, negative 19, my bad. Okay, 41 plus 71 is less than x. What's 41 plus 71? Well, that's 112 less than x. This one's a little bit more complicated. You want to minus 81 from both sides first. You get 2x is equal to, let's see, 81 minus 63 is negative 18. Negative 18. Is less than negative 18 divided by 2 on both sides. Negative 18 divided by 2, x is greater than, negative 9. Okay, let's look at the multiple choice practice that we're given. So this one says, this month it rained a total of 70 inches. Last month it rained a total of 45 inches. If a pattern continues from next month onward, write an equation that would represent T, the monthly total of inches of rain, and M, the month number considering next month as the first. So we have, first week we have 70 and it went down to 45, and so the pattern, what would it be? Well, the difference between 70 and 45 is 35. And so T would be equal to m, which is oh, whoops, these are supposed to be m. There we go. M, which would be for 45 to 35, or minus 35 would be 10. Actually, I think these numbers are a little bit mixed up. If I remember correctly, this one should be 55, and then you have a difference of 25 inches of rain, and so that would mean that your answer is going to be one of these two, because they're both 25, and that would be this one. So, tire store sells an average of 50 tires per week. The store starts to lose its customers, and each week they begin to sell less tires. Which of the following inequalities would best represent X, the number of tires sold per week, after the tire store begins to lose its customers? So if it loses customers, that means it's going to be less than 50, because they're not going to be, 50 tires sold each week. So in this one it's saying 50 is greater than X, which is what we're looking for. It's right there, because that means that X is less than 50. Okay. The last page is just more. Let's look at number 5. So Neva buys her coffee for her and her coworkers once a week when she drops by the coffee shop. She has 4 coworkers. Each week she goes to the coffee shop one more time than the last week. Write the number of the sequence that represents how many coffees Neva buys each week. So first week she buys 4, obviously, because she has 4 coworkers, and she also buys one for herself. So we can eliminate these 2. Now the second week, that means she goes twice in the second week, because she goes one more time than she did the previous week. And so you just want to multiply the 5 by 2 and you get 10. And already off the bat you can see the answer is C. And so that will be all for this week.